10 mind hacks to be successful in life. Undoubtedly, hard work is the key to success, but the journey towards success comes from within a person. Here are 10 mind hacks that'll help you succeed in life. Number 1. Set clear goals. The most crucial to success is to make a plan. Setting your goals means having a straightforward thought process of what a successful life should be like to you that defines a set of goals to get you that life. Studies have proven a link between successful people and goal setting. How can one expect to reach your desired destination if you do not know where the place is? Henceforth, set clearly defined short and long-term goals with deadlines in place. The goal setting should be reviewed daily, so it gets to indulge in your subconscious mind. It is preferred to note down all the action steps you must take to reach those goals. Thus, clearly setting the goal is the foundation of your plan. Number 2. Strong work ethics. One should develop the habit of punctuality for all appointments. Good work ethic requires discipline in staying focused on the long-term goal and not sidetracked by short-term fulfillments. It requires you to complete assignments on time by training yourself to be persistent and follow project timelines. Strive for excellence in your studies. One can hardly find a successful person who gave everything for their dream or goal. If one is not willing to work for it, don't expect to have it long term. Good work ethic should not be limiting to just sitting in an office and completing daily chores. It includes how to take care of yourself, eating right along with taking a sound sleep, taking time to relax while keeping your priorities clear, which helps you maintain the proper perspective at work. Number 3. Be consistent. Like any other activity in life, one has to work on it consistently to achieve what one wants to acquire in life. Likewise, keeping health in view, if you are not consistent with your diet or workout routine, you will lose health benefits and create a physical imbalance. Similarly, if you are not consistent in relationships, chances are you will have problems running in your life. The same goes for business and entrepreneurship. Every step taken in running a business needs a well-conceived and organized approach to achieve the targets. By developing your ways to ease of operation, your performance will improve drastically. Once you become consistent in your work, the value of time and the importance of planning will apply effectively. Hence, it is necessary to get your goals accomplished, which will naturally take the rightful place on your priority list. Number 4. Self-discipline. Discipline is one of the essential elements to success. Without discipline, no matter how many books you read or how many workshops you attend, nothing will ever come true if you don't have the self-discipline to follow through with your plan. One must maintain the discipline to achieve better results and accomplish tremendous success in life. Keeping discipline is vital for successful individuals, from athletes to billionaires. It's the discipline to get up early, even when you don't feel like it. Number 5. Willing to sacrifice. To become successful, we don't need to add more things. Sometimes we just need to give up some of them. There are specific priorities in life that will make you successful if you give up on them, keeping in view if they become a hurdle in achieving the set goal. Willing to sacrifice now can make you can enjoy later. Not to take the easy path or whatever path leaves you to sacrifice now so that you can enjoy it later. Sacrifice here simply means that you are willing to suffer the hardship in the initial years so that the later years would bring you success on your terms. Successful people usually set long-term goals which rely upon aims outlined in short-term conducts that they need to do every day. Successful people spend a significant amount of time acquiring new knowledge, learning new skills, and changing their perceptions to benefit their lives. Number 6. Continuous learning. The world is evolving fast. If you do not adapt to change or have the mindset, then sooner or later, whatever you have learned will become obsolete. There are many instances where we have seen businesses like the famous billion-dollar brand Airbnb, Instagram, and Uber did not exist a decade ago. If the founders of these platforms didn't have the mindset of continually learning and applying new technologies and opportunities, their inventions would not exist now. Even when things seem impossible, focus on ways that you can develop your skills and keep moving self-assured. Successful people always tend to look at setbacks or failures as learning opportunities. Number 7, the ability to listen. You will know what people say instead of guessing them behind their back by listening. You will understand people's minds by listening, which is an invaluable skill. One should learn from mistakes that have failed you before. It is necessary to listen to feedback and criticism to improve yourself, your business, and your results in any area of your life. No one stays at the top because he never has his eyes open to things that may be wrong. Things other people might see. Do not reject anything new or with which you are not comfortable. Instead, analyze the ideas carefully, as this is how you will expand your ideas and understanding of different subject matters. One should know what's around and how to tackle the problem when it arises. Be a good listener that will lead you to success. Number 8, never quit attitude. Those who succeed in achieving their dreams always have one trait in common: they never give up. There always comes a time where everything seems impossible, like there is no way out. The 99% of the people would just give in and settle for an average life. But successful people keep on going and somehow turn everything around. They turn it around, but they apply the lesson and grow from the failures. That is the attitude everyone must have if they want to succeed in any area, because life will pass through lots of challenges and may fail while trying to achieve your goals. Your determination will keep you going when it all seems impossible to say no. I will not quit when everyone else would expect you to cave in. Number 9, have a clear purpose in life. One of the most critical questions people tend to ignore is that they do not know what they want to do with their lives. Our purpose and passion in life are apparent and straightforward for some of us. We are born with a set of talents, and through persistent practice, we develop our talents into skills. Nothing in life will set you off course until and unless you have a clear and meaningful purpose. Once factors are identified that may be keeping you from finding your purpose in life, you can curb them by setting yourself on the right track. If not, it's time to readjust your course. If things are holding you back from finding your purpose, it's time to start uncovering the meaning of their lives and how to set their goals. Number 10, fear of taking risks. One cannot expect to achieve great things if not willing to push yourself to great limits with significant risk. Our brain plays a freaking game by convincing us to engage safely by bringing up thoughts that success chances are slim and that we should try something new. Sometimes you need to take risks, challenge yourself, and try harder to grow stronger and become better. Successful people take risks because they are usually well thought to achieve what they want in life. On the other hand, unsuccessful people always play it safe and therefore can never live more than a safe life that might be what they want, which is fine, but if you want a great life, you will have to accept some form of risk to get great rewards.
If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts, and let me know what you think in the comments section below. Also, please share this video with others who might benefit from watching it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you at the next video.